We did an assessment of our student athletes here at Kean University and found that some of our first-year students were in academic distress. And I wanted to get to the root of why they were struggling.
Some of the biggest challenges I face as a student athlete is balancing my athletic work and my schoolwork.
Student athletes have a really tough schedule. Practices, games, plus hours of homework. It definitely took a toll on some of my academics.
We created a program called Gamer to prevent our student athletes from falling into academic distress. The goal of Gamer is to increase graduation and retention rates. Each team works with an athletics academic liaison.
As a coach, it's hard to watch your kids struggle academically. It was really important to me to have a good relationship with my academic athletic advisor. We work together, targeting kids that might need help.
I like to think of us as their advocates. We'll refer them out to Learning Commons for tutoring or writing services or academic coaching.
I have struggled with some classes in the past, and what has helped me the most is definitely tutoring.
The Gamer program really helps me focus on what's more important. Yes, we're athletes, but we're always students first. It gave me more motivation to stay on top of all my studies in order to perform on the field.
And that structure off the field to help with their academics can really clear their mind when they get to the field and they can play their game that they love.
Since Gamer, we have reduced the number of students in academic distress down to 5%.
The turning point that I saw that this program really working is my grades went up. That's what I know I'm doing something right.
I started to get more confidence, and my academics have just skyrocketed.
Our first-year student athletes have retention rates at 84%, which is higher than the state and national retention rates.
The ultimate goal is for our student athletes to have that championship moment on the field and, more importantly, day of graduation.
It feels amazing to come all this way through all my academic struggles, and I'm finally going to be able to walk.
Congratulations again, graduates and new Kean alum.